Ki Nongialam jongka GSC ki Laitali Kishnong Ringkat ka Bernihat Citizens Forum ki Seng Bhalang Bakintub Ïaka KSU FKJGP bad RBYF kila Rai Kynduh yu Menteri Rangba ka Jalla Ukonrat Kia Sangma ban Dawa badai ban Pyndam Sundan Ïaka Jingthmu ban Pynkylla Industrial Estate Ïaka Jaka jongka Soil and Water Conservation ha omper khat armer. But ken persya bej hadu bakut Ïaka Jingthmu jongka sarkar.
First of all, I'd like to thanks to all three villages headman and secretary and our friend from other different parts of NGOs like KSU, RBYF, FKJGP and GSU. We'd like to thanks to them also. And regarding today rally, like we have to came to this conclusion, like today we had a meeting right now. That means we'll oppose against the setup of industrial state and we have taken a decision like we'll take an appointment to meet the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sangma, so that after that we'll discuss regarding this industrial state with all our NGOs and our three villages, headman and secretary, and all the leaders from the Bernihat Citizen Forum, plus Joint Action Committee and Mahila Union, and all the youth leaders also will work together and will go ahead and meet the Chief Minister regarding the industries.